trying to see if this car is going to stay in its lane or go out of its lane. We're going to use the features that it got. I'm going to put it on cruise. I'll set a speed and I'll put it in the distance that I want it to follow if there's any car, and staying in the lane. But yeah, I got my nephew recording, and he's got his bird in the back, some canoe, so that one might be making some noises here and there. But yeah, let's see what happens. Just waiting on the light to be green. And one feature I do like is the brake hold button here. You press and hold. Never mind. Let's go do it. It's recording? Yeah. So it's gonna go by itself mostly because and if the car stops ahead of me, it will stop. It will come to a complete stop. So the only reason why I stopped this far is because what's it called? I had a distance here. So if I put even closer, I just press it so it got closer. Now the car will come to a complete stop. If the car in front of me stops, then you'll see a distance will be closer than a usual distance. But here you go, you can see that's even closer. And it's going off by itself. I'm not hitting the accelerator or anything like that. And it's coming to a complete stop by itself, depending on the distance and the car in front of us. That car is moving, so in traffic I just like to rest my feet. And if you go above 45 and above miles per hour, the steering will actually steer by itself. Then the car will stay within its lanes, the dotted lanes. But it's not 100% because some of these dotted lanes, like half of them are faded. So it's best to have your hands on the steering wheel just in case. But having this, I don't know, at least whatever, somewhat of a luxury is good to at least rest our feet, not have cramps. So when it's a complete stop, I have to hit accelerate and it's fine. But after that, it starts to go by itself. And as you can see, it's braking by itself and not doing anything. If that car in front of me stops completely, this one will stop. Okay, so how you set this up, pretty much now the car is in my control. So what you do, you click on main. When you have the ACC and LKS up there, you click on distance, what you like. As you'll see there, the more you click it, you'll see distance, long, short, and everything. So I'll just put a little bit long for safety. When you click this one, the lane departure, then you'll see the dotted lines show up. When it's not, let me zoom it in for you guys. So when it's not like solid, the lanes are like empty inside, so it's not like solid dashes. So when you hit 45 miles per hour or above, then they'll become solid. That's when the steering will start to move by itself. But again, it's not going to be 100% because the dash lines on the roads are going to be faded, so it won't work 100% sometimes. And that's just on right now. So there you go, gives my nephew. So to set this up, if you're going on the highway, there's no traffic. Like I'm gonna turn around and come on the highway, there won't be any traffic, so I'll add the video to this. So if you press the cruise, pretty much you just press the top one. Not top, sorry. Just set the cruise. Click the bottom one, Okay, so make sure the brake pedal is not applied when setting the cruise control. So you take it off and then you click the set. So I took the, well, I'm already driving slow, so the car is adjusted to 25 miles per hour automatically because I'm in traffic. And it's adjusted automatically, and just make sure you're not applying brakes while setting the cruise. It won't work. So right now I'm just moving the steering here and there a little bit, whatever I gotta do. But the rest, like brakes and going, acceleration is going by itself, which is amazing. When you're driving, I'll make another short video on it, actually on an open highway, after I take my exit from this. Yeah, so far this is what it is. That's what it looks like. This is when it's set. Yeah, so I'll make another video and add it to that, alright? Thanks for watching. See, it says stopped. Okay, I press this and then it starts to go by itself. Stop. Did you do it? Alright, friends, so now this one, of course, will start from the base. How you get the car to follow another car in front of it and stop automatically as well. So you gotta click on main. Once that's up, you will see two green lights pop up. And then you put in your distance, whatever you like. I like to put like three lanes, like 3 cars in between. And I'll set my speed limit at, let me see, when you set it, I guess I'll set it at 55 there. And I think this is on too. Yeah, now it's on. Now the lane departure is on as well. So I'm just putting my hands here for safety because this doesn't work like 100% sometimes when there's like a dashed lines that are like faded or half dash lines. So as you can see, the car will slow down by itself if the cars in front of me are slowing down. But I'm not moving the steering wheel or anything. Now I did because this truck is stupid. Alright, I'm back in my lane. Anyways, so you can see the steering wheel is mostly moving by itself. It's a curved road. See? And if I have to take the exit. So if the cars in front of me, like I said, slow down, then the car will slow down as well. But I just have my hands here for safety. And like I said, the steering wheel, lane departure will work as much as far as when you're in traffic. When I recorded the video before, this truck is insane. It's driving me nuts. See that? That's bad. So you see the car, how it's braking by itself because that got braked. And then it starts to pick up the speed. But I'm taking the exit. But yeah, so I'm gonna get closer to the car and it's gonna start to brake by itself. It's pretty much braking by itself. As you can see, it slows down. Now the car will pick up the speed back to 45, but I hit brakes because I'm off the highway. So when you hit the brakes, the cruise control will come off, and then pretty much the car's in your control. You can press the main, turn it off. But mostly it's good in traffic. I like to use it in traffic than just following the car, like that previous video. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.